Question number 28, SAT practice test 2. Question 28 gives you a square ABCD in the XY plane. You're given the coordinates of two of the vertices of the square. No, actually, you're given the coordinates of vertex C and the center of the square E. The question is, what is the following? Which of the following is the equation of the line that passes through points B and D? So we do need to find out the equation of the line that connects B and D. We know that line is actually the other diagonal of the square. It's going to pass through E. We also know that diagonals in a square are perpendicular to each other. So in order to find the equation of BD, we do need to find its slope and y-intercept. How to find the slope? Well, if BD is perpendicular to EC, that means it's going to have a negative reciprocal slope to EC. Well, how do I find the slope of EC? I do have 2 points from EC, 7, 2, and 1, 0. So the slope of EC, following the slope formula, is going to equal 0 minus 2 over 1, that's a negative, 1 minus 7. Calculating the slope of EC is going to be negative 2 over negative 6, or 1/3. Now the slope of BD one-third, not the negative 1/3. The slope of BD is the negative reciprocal, which means the slope is negative 3. Now, unfortunately, that does not really help me. It helps in a way of eliminating C and D. I know that my answer is going to be between A and B. Well, I can already see that A is not possible. Why is A not possible? A is giving me a y-intercept of -1, that diagonal. Looking at my sketch on the coordinate plane, my y-intercept of BD actually is above the 0. So it cannot be -1. That's eliminated. And my y-intercept looks like it is somewhere between 2 and 4, which could be 3. And if you simplify B, we see that it is identical to the equation being -3x plus 3, and that turns out to be the answer.